Guys. It's time. It's time. Long weekend starts now.
Yes.
What's our plan?
Movie marathon? Oh, okay. Let's go to the mountains.
Not in this weather, yaar. Too many landslides, waterlogging and everything.
Let's go on a food trail now.
Yes.
Let's be honest, every weekend we plan something or the other. It's a flop.
No.
You guys come up
this
with
will happen.
so many.
Let's go to Old Delhi, and you can try Mughlai food. We'll also have some veg options.
Guys, I'm sorry, but we have to skip Delhi this time.
Let's go to Lucknow. We're talking about Mughlai food, and you know, Lucknow was recently nominated as UNESCO City of Gastronomy.
Really?
Yes.
Lucknow is my favorite city.
Okay.
You know, just 2 weeks ago, it's such a coincidence. I was talking to one of my friends. He's from Lucknow, and he was telling me about the famous charts और वहाँ का खाना और वहाँ के कपड़े क्या नहीं.
I've also saved so many food reels. Okay, I know somebody who creates content around food. He can take us around the city.
Really?
About that.
Awesome, that.
Yeah?
That's amazing.
Super.
I can ask him to shortlist some places for us, huh? Some veg options, some non-vegetarian options.
I think
It's a calling.
Let's
I
do
think
that.
it's a calling.
Let's do that. Let me book Uber in the city.
Oh, okay.
I hope so.
Cheers to Food Trail in Lucknow. Guys, have we shortlisted any food items or places that we're going to explore?
Of course, there is. First on the list, Tunde ke kebab. I mean, they are just so good.
Very thin mouth. I mean, it is so worth it. Combine it with a paratha, and it is like
It was founded there, I think, right? In Lucknow.
Yeah. And then he started melt in your mouth.
So basically-
shop, this shop. But the story, she'll tell you.
yeah. So basically, the chef he had to make these kebabs for a king or an emperor.
Nawab. Yeah.
Sorry. So he did not have teeth. So उनके लिए उन्होंने ऐसे कबाब्स बनाए कि बस वो मुंह में जाए और वो एकदम घुल जाए. तो उनको चबाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी.
And you know, there are lots of places which are hyped and you hear about them, but when you go there, you're disappointed because they just never match the expectation. But trust me, this really matches the expectation and goes beyond.
Totally. And how can we forget about the biryani?
Oh yeah?
Yes.
But is Lucknowi biryani different from what we get in Hyderabad?
Totally.
Yeah? In terms
Totally.
of what?
Well, in terms of aroma and spices. So, you know what? Lucknow ki jo biryani hai, it is like the Afdi biryani, and it is low on spices and it is more on aroma. It's like
Yeah.
it has
More flavor,
amazing-
more aroma.
more flavor, and it is like it is stand apart. Like if you eat biryani from Hyderabad and if you eat biryani from Lucknow, it's like totally different. And you
Yeah,
understand the difference.
But now our concern is, do we get anything vegetarian
Do we
as
get
well?
some aromatic vegetarian food? You've spoken so much
Of
about that.
course, there's a lot of vegetarian.
I've done my research on charts for sure.
Really?
Because I'm a chart hogger. So there's one Royal Cafe.
Yeah.
There you get basket. Yes, it's popular for basket chart.
Yes.
So that is one. And then I think Ban Maska as well.
Yes.
This makes me very, very excited for our trip. Thank God we planned it finally.
प्रियांक
Hello,
भाई
भाई।
क्या हाल है, कैसे हो?
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया।
यार लखनऊ अगर हम आए हैं तो तुमसे ना मिले, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है?
अरे भाई मक्खन लगाना बंद कीजिए, आगे बढ़ते।
मक्खन आज हमें बहुत खाना है, बट बाय द वे मैंने
हाँ।
बिल्डअप काफी ज्यादा कर दिया है,
हाँ।
तुम्हारी इंट्रोडक्शन काफी ज्यादा दे दी है।
Okay.
आई कांट वेट फॉर यू टू मीट माय फ्रेंड्स।
Sure, let's
Why don't you join us in
dive in.
our Uber Intercity caravan? Let's go. So guys, meet my friend Priyank, Lucknowi Doll Supper Khana. That's his.
Hi, Priyank.
Hi.
Thank you so much for joining us today. It's so much
It's a
fun
pleasure.
having you here.
Pleasure being here with you guys.
And we are absolutely excited, and we know you have planned a full day for us. But
Yeah.
क्योंकि सुबह उठे हैं, हमने बहुत बिल्डअप कर लिया चाय के बारे में ऑलरेडी, एंड मेजॉरिटी आज चाय लवर्स की है. सॉरी मुग्धा. Can we start the day with
But
chai?
in Lucknow, chai hits different.
Yeah. Where are we going for chai?
We will be going to केवल.
Okay.
पास में ही केवल चाय चल रहे हैं. आपने ब्रश किया नहीं किया डजेंट मैटर.
नहीं, हम तैयार हो गया है. Full ready.
हाँ तो विद चाय वी हैव लाइक अ बकेट ऑफ सरप्राइजेस. बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे मिलती हैं. समोसा नाम यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड. अब चलिए आई विल जस्ट शो यू.
Okay.
I don't want to tell you. Like disclose right here.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay guys, so we are at Ram Keval Tea Stall. Now I would like to ask you, आपने यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत चाय बनते देखी. Before you ask me, I'll ask you, what is so special about this? What did you notice कि कुछ special दिखाओ?
I think दूध को बहुत ज़्यादा उबाला जा रहा है और मलाई डाली जा रही है.
बहुत काट के चाय बनाई.
See, अगर आप केटल देखोगे, they have that special liquor that they prepare. चाय को अलग से बॉईल करते हैं, चाय पत्ती they boil it separately and दूध अलग से बॉईल होता है. ये बड़े बड़े कुल्हड़.
getting boiled तो ये गाढ़ा हो जाता होगा.
Of course. And जो मलाई ऊपर से मलाई मार के बोलते हैं ना चाय के साथ में.
Cheers to लखनऊ का नाश्ता.
कितना चाय है.
So good.
Nothing hits harder than सुबह की पहली चाय. And a combo यार. Chai pop.
Samosa. I want to have one more. है ना?
Please. But before having it, just एक बार side से just try to open it. So this is the special white butter that they prepare.
White butter.
This is not your
yellow
regular
butter.
packed butter. ये खुद बनाते हैं and then they put it in the mustard. This will taste different.
मुस्कुराइए. अब हम लखनऊ में हैं. मुस्कुराने की वजह.
Smells so nice. यहीं से इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है इसकी.
ऐसी खुशबू आ रही है खस्तों की. दिस इज अ प्लेस कॉल्ड दुर्गा खस्ते. ये यहाँ पे 80 ईयर्स से हैं. 4-5 बजे से ओपन हो जाते हैं. एंड अभी तो समर्स हैं, विंटर्स में सुबह सुबह बाइक पार्क करके एंड कोहरे से आते हुए फिर वो गरम गरम खस्ते खाने का मज़ा अलग है. एनीवेज अभी गर्म है, स्टिल खस्ते बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे. सो द खस्ता इज सर्व्ड. ये सर्व होता है एक पत्ते में, राइट. तो उसके साथ में ड्राई आलू रहता है, मटर रहती है गली हुई, एंड देन यू हैव द खस्ता.
The salad also, like वो प्याज है, मिर्ची है.
They're pretty eco-friendly, yeah.
चलिए दोस्तों.
I've never had a khasta kachori ever.
You know what? I've had khasta, but that triangle wala khasta, this is filled with something.
दिस इज एक्चुअली यू फर्स्ट. आप लोग अनबॉक्सिंग करो, देन आई विल टेल यू.
Unboxed.
Right.
This is dal.
Right inside is dal
This is dal.
with a twist of मसाले. Right, दाल और मसाले. और थोड़ा क्रिस्प है, बाहर हार्ड है. Just have a bite of it.
I want to try it
एक
with
I
this
would say you
masala.
have one with just dry आलू itself. एक बिना जिससे एक आलू के साथ आप ट्राई करना, सिर्फ आलू के साथ.
Oh god.
I think this is one thing that is not like जिसका marketing इतना नहीं हुआ है. आप लखनऊ के बारे में सुनते हुए you think about non-veg, you think about certain places, but you think about the basket chart. But this is one thing जो बहुत underrated रह जाती है.
Priyank, now tell me why Netram? Why did you get a stir?
Are Netram have a very like history that dates back to 1854 even, and I think this is third or fourth Amol. This is the sixth
Wow.
generation. So this is one of those iconic places for breakfast. Dahi jalebi and puri sabzi, and ये बहुत famous है.
Ah, there you have.
Oh my god.
DJ. Oh, it's a good acronym for this, na? DJ. Jalebi. DJ it is.
तो ये पहले जलेबी को ऐसे उठाइए, ठीक है. फिर अगर आप चाहें तो स्कूप कर सकते हैं, और थोड़ा सा इजी तरीका होगा अगर आप इसको कट करके इसको आप ऐसे जलेबी के ऊपर रखें.
The jalebi in Lucknow is always crisp. Like, see?
There's some like soft jalebi
You
होती
can
है.
take one bite ऐसे.
Try it just like that.
It's very crispy.
The balance, yeah, the perfect balance of sweet and tangy. Yeah.
Okay guys, कौन क्या क्या खाएगा?
I will start with the kebabs. Galati kebabs.
Veg biryani because I'm
Only that exists.
Veg pulao, you mean?
But they are vegetarians, so they have to have it.
ये बेसिकली चौक की गलियों का जो खाना होता है, अंदर की जो गलियाँ होती हैं, उनमें से एक जगह है राइट नेक्स्ट टू द कल्ली राम मंदिर. ये पड़ता है सेवक राम मिष्ठान भंडार. एंड आई थिंक अगर आप निकलोगे मेन सराफा मार्केट से तो आप सीधे चलते चले जाओगे, पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि पतली सी गली कटी है. सो ये आई थिंक 125 ईयर्स पुरानी शॉप है, बहुत पुरानी शॉप है. छोटी सी दुकान है लेकिन जबरदस्त, वही ना छोटा पैकेट.
पर आपने कहा आप मिस कर जाओगे, पर मिस नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि घी की खुशबू ना बाहर तक आ रही थी. So you can't miss this shop.
truly is a hidden gem.
Yeah.
100%.
Look at the
Yes.
kind of mithais, Arun. I mean, I've not seen it.
Yeah.
बहुत अलग अलग चीज़
What are we
है.
eating, Priyank?
We
What's
are
famous?
having आम की खीर today.
Okay.
But पहले I want you guys to try this anarse ki goli.
अंदर से
Anarse ki goli. What's that?
Very UP thing, and we only make it in this season, this monsoon.
It's hot, right?
ये fresh
Just
fresh
out of
एकदम
the
अभी just yes.
कढ़ाई से.
तिल है,
Very
गुड़.
hot.
ये गुड़ की है? अच्छा, चावल और गुड़.
Game time, guys. Let's rate our experience and what did you like the most today? Nikita.
Oh, I loved the Galati kebabs. They were too good, melt in mouth kebabs, and like when I added with biryani, I mean, 10 on 10 experience. I had the best time.
Alright, the vegetarians. What about you, Devyani?
Well, as much as I would like to talk about the vegetable biryani, what caught my eye was dahi jalebi. It's my favorite now. Dahi jalebi for me, not dahi rabdi. As much as I love that other combinations, the highlight for me is dahi jalebi.
So we have a convert now for DJ.
Dahi jalebi. Yeah.
Dahi jalebi,
What about you?
For me, it was a very nostalgic experience. I think that's my highlight. It's like going back to your hometown and experience it completely in a new way. Though I've been to many of these places, but some of the places that Priyank took us, I also had not been there ever in my life. What about you, Arun?
For me, it's a tough competition between aam wali kheer and khasta. I mean, both of these. I think khasta for breakfast, and after a very long day, and especially in this weather, the aam wali kheer really did the job. एक तो मीठा बाद में खा लिया और ऊपर से ठंडक मिल गई. I think that was a winner.
True.
Icing on the cake.
I was just shook at, you know, how I was just tense yesterday when we were talking. कि options होंगे vegetarians के लिए, it would be just, you know, maybe famous chana bhatura and we'll end there. But since morning, I mean, the varieties that I've had, Lucknow is for everybody.
But we must thank you, Priyank, for this.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Priyank.
But since we can't ask you your picks, you are from the city and you were our
That
host.
would be very unfair.
Yeah, that's what I was
On
saying.
my end, yeah.
So what I'll ask you is, कुछ और है क्या भी खाने के लिए? That's my question. क्या कुछ बचा है अभी और? Can we go
We
to?
skipped our dinner and breakfast.
कुछ और है दिखाने के लिए भी and खाने के लिए भी.
Okay.
खाने के लिए भी है.
दिखाने
What
के
is
लिए भी.
it?
That is something that you must have heard of. लेकिन आपने, I'm not sure if you guys have tried that yet.
What is it?
Have you guys tried a basket? Basket खाई आपने?
Basket खाई है.
Basket edible होती है?
हाँ, लखनऊ में होती है.
That I know. But that's a good surprise.
Good teaser.
Yes. For that we'll be heading to somewhere in Hazratganj.
Don't leave us on a cliffhanger, yeah. But I hope it's not very far, right?
It's not that far.
Okay. We'll wait then.
Let's go. So this is all what goes into a basket chart. अब समझाऊंगा तो पूरा दिन निकल जाएगा, but there are a lot of things that you know. आलू टिक्की वहाँ पे बन रही है, तो आलू टिक्की पड़ती है, दही बड़ा, and then you have like it is topped with दही, चटनी and everything. बहुत कुछ होता है. Let's just order it first, right?
Yes, let's do that.
Okay.
You know what I suggest? We also order butter chaat. क्योंकि इन लोगों ने
Yes.
सबको, I've told them a lot about butter chaat and they have to try because ये तो लखनऊ की स्पेशलिटी है.
Mutton chaat with nimbu and little bit of chutney on top of it.
Guys, look at that. Basket chart is getting ready. Oh
What
my
is this
god.
topping? ये क्या है जो भी डाल रहा है? भैया ये कौन सी टॉपिंग है?
हाजमोला.
Wow.
Chutney.
That's interesting.
Oh wow.
Wow. 2 मिनट नहीं लगे इन्हें.
Chale guys. Let's do the heavy lifting.
The royal chart.
Let's go. Guys, can we start?
Yeah. I want to break this down. Yeah.
An explosion in your mouth.
इसमें चने हैं, कचालू है.
I want to try this hajmola ki
Yeah,
chutney.
same. What a day, guys.
Amazing.
Thanks, man. We really have to thank you.
All thanks to you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
Priyank. It
Priyank.
was so much fun because of you.
What do you think about Lucknow? How's the vibe?
Lucknow is my first love.
No, it's like 10 on 10 vibe. The
I'm
best
gonna come
vibe.
here again, for sure.
Yes.
I'll always be
For
there.
me,
whenever
it's
you
like
visit.
very first time I'm seeing Lucknow,
And
and I don't
we need
feel
more
like I'm a
places.
local.
Thank you. Thank you, man. Thanks for helping us.
I will come back whenever you guys are back. I will be here.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.
I'm a little sad that this trip is ending.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's-
man.
Can't even believe that we've like, you know, from Friday and here. I mean, how the days passed. I don't even know.
Yeah. It was packed, but like so worth it.
So full. I think I'm gonna be full for next 2-3 days.
I need a detox for another week. Let's go. Okay, what was your highlight of the entire trip? It could be food, it could be some place.
Food, but travel. Honestly, travel when you're traveling such a long journey. And if you're going in any city, the first thought is travel कैसे करेंगे? इतना time लग जाएगा, इतने घंटे लग
Yeah,
जाएंगे.
within
यहाँ
the
से
city
चलेगा.
also. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
pretty.
That's
was-
not an issue.
This was convenient. Even the city, yeah. We managed to go everywhere in this.
Yeah.
I was actually apprehensive about that. I thought we would have to do something, but
No, I mean the lane outside Royal Cafe is pretty packed most of the
Yeah.
times. But it could go there swiftly. That was all. What was your highlight?
I think my highlight was the fact that we spent spent time together. Then we were, because you know we were sitting here, we were hanging out,
Yeah.
and then we also explored Lucknow, and we had so much food and the camaraderie and everything. I think, and the smooth journey, obviously, that played a big role. So I really liked that.
What's your highlight?
I think the games that we played when there was Dr. Raj, Heads Up, that was that was nice. And of course, yeah, the charts of Lucknow, hands down, nobody does charts like Lucknow.
I'm from Lucknow, but that 125-year-old shop, I have never been there.
Oh, the sweet shop.
Yeah, the sweet shop next to the temple. That was surprising for me and it was so good. That mango.
Yeah, that was really nice. But I think we must do this some other time as well.
Yes.
Since we have the convenience of Uber Intercity,
Yes.
we must plan another trip as well.
For sure.
Let's shake hands on that and let's promise each other that we will do this soon.
Yes.
As soon as we get another long weekend.